Hey everyone, welcome to Shimi's Kitchen with me Shamala. So today's recipe is Parda Biryani. It means rice behind the curtain. Parda Biryani has been on my must try list forever. My entire family loved the Parda Biryani. So this recipe is really easy to put together. So let's see the process. So first step is to marinate the chicken. Take a large bowl, add 1 kg chicken, 3 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon biryani masala, 1 teaspoon salt, half cup curd, yogurt, 2 finely chopped green chilies, some fresh finely chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Give this a very good mix and marinate this for 2 hours. Second step is to cook the chicken yakhni. And now heat half cup oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken pieces. To this I am adding 1 cup fried onions. Mix this nicely. Goes in half cup water. Give this a very good mix. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Once done, open the lid. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Close the lid again and slow cook for 10 more minutes and set aside. Now let's prepare the dough. This is the third step. Add 2.5 cup all-purpose flour. Sprinkle some salt. Gradually add water to knead the dough. Knead the dough till it becomes soft and set aside for 15 minutes. Fourth step is to parboil the rice. Add 2 liters water in a pan. Goes in 1 inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, small piece of nutmeg, 1 star anise, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoons salt, and some fresh mint leaves. Bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, add 5 cups soaked basmati rice. Cook this till rice is 75% done. Now strain it and set aside. And now let's assemble and hide the rice and yakhni behind the parda. Roll the dough in a large flat circle. Apply oil before placing the dough in karai. Place this circle in kadai as directed. And now I'm going to add rice. Top up with yakhni. Some fried onions on top. Some fresh mint leaves. Drizzle color on top, it's optional. You can also add saffron soaked in milk. Same process for the next layer too. And now delicately close the dough. Cover with one more paratha if needed. Fold it to cover up the biryani. And now I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes in a high flame. Be very gentle while flipping the side. Gently flip the side and cook for another 10 minutes on low heat. And now Parda biryani is ready to serve. Now transfer this on serving plate and serve hot immediately with raita. This was an amazing dish. Crispy, flaky outside with delicious rice and chicken filling. This is quite heavy and filling, but it tastes amazing. So do try this and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.